In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use BDO Cash Card for the first time. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The BDO Cash Card is a reloadable prepaid card that you can use for various transactions, both online and in physical stores. So I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly activate and set up your BDO card. This is going to work for the cash card and also any other card that you have issued from BDO. So the main way to activate the card is going to be through an ATM. You can try using the mobile app or follow any sort of additional or alternative instructions that you acquire alongside your card, but the main reliable method is always going to be at an ATM. So go over to a physical location, locate a BDO compatible ATM, and insert your card. Now choose Other Services. So inside of the ATM, you can go into Other Services to properly manage this card. Inside, choose the option to manage your PIN, and if you still need to set up your PIN, you will be able to do so there. You can also change your PIN from the same menu, and then you can enter a 6-digit PIN and create a 4-digit PIN that is also secure and that you can remember. With this done at any BDO branch, at any ATM, or through online banking, you will be able to deposit and load up your card with cash. So make sure to deposit any amount that you wish, and once the card has been activated through setting up the PIN and loaded, you can use your card. So the main ways to activate the card are going to be by going to an ATM and depositing any amount into the card itself, and then it will be ready to be used. You can go over to any physical location and use your BDO cash card to pay for goods and services at any merchant that accepts Visa or MasterCard. You will be able to use it on a card reader, and of course you can do it online as well. Then you can use the mobile app to manage your card. So if you prefer, download the latest version of the mobile app, and in there you will be able to see all of the options about the card, including the option to lock it, disable overseas transfers, and set up the limits. I hope I was able to help you on how to use BDO Cash Card for the first time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.